Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam lighted decorative bowl. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this bulk embellishment rhinestone pack. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some of this diamond chain, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these plastic bowls. And you're going to need some sort of a mini vase or footed vase. I have a footed vase here, but you can really use any shape you like. Now from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. And to make this a lighted decorative bowl, I'll be using these fairy lights. And I can't remember exactly where I purchased the fairy lights, if it was TJ Maxx or if it was Ross. But anyway, I will leave some information for fairy lights in the description box below. They do have fairy lights at Efavormart, so I'll leave that information in the description box below for you guys. I'm going to be assembling this with hot glue, but if you like to make any components of the project permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam lighted decorative centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make, and you could use this in any number of ways. You could put a candle in this, a beautiful candle to become a candle centerpiece, florals, any kind of decorative orbs or Christmas ornaments could even be used in this, or any fall decor could be used in it. Any number of ways to use this. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.